In this video, you'll learn how to delete a channel in Slack. This process can be completed in just a few steps, allowing you to manage your workspace effectively. Begin by launching Slack on your preferred device, ensuring that you are logged into your workspace. Once you're in the main interface, locate and click on the Channels option in the sidebar. This will display a list of all channels available in your workspace. Next, scroll through the list to find the channel you wish to delete. It is important to remember that you must be the channel's owner or have the necessary permissions to proceed with deletion. Click on the channel name to enter it. Once inside, you will see the channel's conversation history and settings on the right side of the screen. After that, look for an icon represented by 3 dots, often referred to as the More Actions button. This icon is typically located at the top right corner of the channel interface. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu filled with additional options. From the drop-down menu, select Edit Settings. This option will take you to a new screen where you can adjust various settings related to the channel. Here you will find the option to delete the channel. Click on Delete Channel to initiate the deletion process. At this point, a confirmation dialog will appear asking you to confirm your decision to delete the channel. This step is crucial as deleting a channel is permanent and cannot be undone. Carefully read the warning provided, and if you are sure about your decision, confirm the deletion by clicking the appropriate button. Once the channel is deleted, you will receive a notification indicating that the process was successful. This feedback will confirm that the channel is no longer accessible to you or other members. It is advisable to double check that you have removed the correct channel as the action is. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.